So you bought a Maverick, and now you've got this. And you really don't want it just slamming? Well, we think we've got a solution for you. Hey, I'm Nick, AKA Dad, and yes, this is not the Bronco. The Bronco is sitting over there. This is my nephew's Maverick that he just got. So this is a 2026 front-wheel drive hybrid, but like you saw at the beginning, he doesn't really like the fact that when you drop this tailgate, it just comes slamming down. So we decided to do some research for him, came up with an option for you from DZ, and it's a tailgate assist. Really easy to put on. Let's walk you through what's in the kit, what tools you'll need, and get to this installation, and then show you what it looks like after. So here's what you get in your tailgate assist. This is for the Ford. This is a DZ43207. You've got your gas strut. You've got two brackets. This one will be mounted to the bed itself. This one will be mounted to the tailgate. Then you've got a bolt that already has Loctite on it. You've got this little guy here. This will actually go inside your tailgate and clamp it down. And then we've got these little retainers. These are for the gas strut itself to actually connect to the balls on the brackets. So let's now show you what you need to install this. So really all you need is right here. You need a ratchet, you need a T50, a T30, and a 5mm Allen or M5, whatever you want to call it, but that's all you'll need to get this installation done. So to start this process, you need to remove the cable from this mounting point here, and then we'll use our T50 to pull out this mounting spot, and we'll actually reuse this on the top bracket. So let's get this off first, and then we'll install the bracket. Now that we have the T50 bolt out, which we'll retain to use, we're gonna take this bracket and we're gonna mount it just like this using that T50. We'll get that put in and show you what it looks like. So here's what that bracket looks like. You're having it face down with the ball at the bottom. And then what we're gonna do is we've got our other bracket here. I've got our bolt going through with the little retainer. And basically what that's gonna do is it's gonna mount down here into that hole there. So you want it to be able to fit in. And then we're gonna turn it 90 degrees and hold it tight till we can cinch that down. So here's the orientation of it. You got the edges there that will correspond with that hole. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna get it in there, and then we're gonna turn it to where it's 90 degrees and then keep pulling this bolt and plate out and then start to tighten it down with your M5 Allen. Now, one thing I've done with that blue Loctite in there, it does make it difficult to really just put this down at the very tip of this and then try to tighten it once you're in there. I tightened it pretty much all the way. Obviously you can see I've got some play here because it's spinning this all together, but that blue Loctite, I get why they put it on there, but it does make it difficult to actually pull this plate like they're wanting you to do in the instructions and still tighten it without that just spinning out. So I've tightened it all the way down. Let's see if that will make it easier to install. So we've got our bracket installed. We had to play with it a little bit and get that nut that they put in here just to where it was grabbing just a little bit. So we had to kind of get it down to about the bottom of that blue Loctite. So you may have to play with it a little bit as far as how much space, because the tailgate looks like it's about 1/8 of an inch thick. So you want it to where it just grabs when you turn it to the 90, and then you're gonna pull this out just enough to put tension on it. And we were able to do that, and now it's on there good. So now what we need to do is actually just put our gas strut on. And then after that, there's one important step you're gonna need to do, and you've got two of them, but we're gonna lose something on this tailgate. We'll get to that here in just a sec. So now that we have it on the lower ball, now the gas strut needs to go on the top. The rod end goes towards the tailgate, and the solid mount goes up here. You're gonna want a flat bladed screwdriver to be able to pull this out, this retention pin or ring out a little bit so you can clamp it on to the ball socket itself. So now we have our gas strut attached to both the tailgate and the body. So last thing we need to do is remove our bottle opener. This no longer will work with this because this will come in contact with your gas strut. So we need to remove that, and that's what we'll use that T30 for. So we removed the bottle opener, AKA extra tie down, whatever you want to use that for, but we still have the one on the passenger side. So if it is a bottle opener, you can still use it. It's still there. but it makes it to where this will work out great. Now let's show you what this looks like when you open the tailgate now. Now that everything's installed, let's show you what the result is now that we have the gas strut in there. Nice and controlled. Install complete. So if you're looking for a way to not have your tailgate fall every time you open it when you got your arms loaded with something, or just at the hardware store, you go to DZ. We'll put a link down below for Amazon, and it'll get you to this, and you can put it on your Maverick, and really will only take you maybe about 15 minutes. Only need a few tools and a little bit of time, and no longer have to worry about your tailgate crashing down. But as always, we appreciate you watching, and if you're not a subscriber, smash that subscribe button, because Monk and I, we are constantly looking for tips, tricks, and products that we use in our vehicles that you can use on yours. Hey, have a blessed day. Thanks for watching. Bye.